Hello, welcome again to this new video. In this video, we are going to see how to calculate execution time for any method or operation in Java program. So let's quickly start with this program. So here I am going to calculate the execution time for String.concat method. Basically, when we are joining two string or merging two string, so there are different methods available for that. So we are going to find the total execution time taken for the different types of method available there through Java program. So let's start with the main method. So here we can see I have taken three types of strings. First is a normal string object where I have sent value as ABC. Second, I have initialized string builder with the same value ABC, and the next is string buffer with again value as ABC initialized, and these are the two variables, start time and end time, to capture the time taken for the execution. Then we subtract the start time from the end time, so we'll get the exact execution time. So let's start with the first thing, that is a simple string. Let me initialize the start time first. Start time equal to, so there is a function inside the system class that is get current time in millis. There is another function named as a nano time. So there is a difference, like current time millis will give you a time in the milliseconds, where nano time will give you in the nanoseconds. And if you see the difference, 1 seconds equal to 1000 millisecond, and 1 millisecond is equal to 10 lakh nanoseconds. So let's take the nano time, because it will give us more precise things, as it's a normal operation, so they will get performed less than a millisecond. Let's take this one. Now let's add the string function. Here we are using concat function, which is already present for string class. And now let me capture the end time. Now let's print them. So here we have taken simple subtract, where I am subtracting the start time from the end time, so we will get the exact execution time. Okay, let's run it. So we got the execution time here, which is 10,500 nanoseconds. Now let's quickly move to the second way available for us to concatenate, that is using the string builder operation. Let's try that quickly. Again, we will initialize these two variables. Between them we will perform the operation, and then we'll print the subtraction between them as we did for the normal string concat operation. So just copy this line and paste here. Let me execute again. Let's see now how much difference will be there for normal string concat function and the append function available in the string builder. Let's run it. If you see, the almost half time reduced using the string builder's append function. Let's test the same thing with our third method, that is using the string buffer. Now we are going to see all the execution times taken for the individual methods which are doing the same operation, that is we are concatenating or merging a string with a new string. So let's check that. As you can see here, if you notice, the string buffer right now taking very less time than the string builder, but sometimes it's maybe sometimes system not optimize it at the moment, but normally string builder should be faster than the string buffer. Let me run once again. Okay, same result. Let me run once again. So as you can see clearly the difference. You might be thinking that it's just a nanosecond. That also the difference, like 1 millisecond is equal to 10 lakh nanosecond. It won't make much difference. Yeah, right. But if there is a method which may require like 1,000 times of string append call of function, there might be, you can see exact difference. So let's try that. So I'm going to add a for loop which start with the count like from 1 to 1,000, and for each iteration it will do the concat or append function for these individual 3 methods. Let's see that. Okay, I have added the loop of 1,000 iterations. Now let's see the difference. Right, you can see now the difference. As I mentioned, now you can see string builder performance is better than the string buffer because it optimizes it well when there is a thing of real time large number of operations need to be performed. For the confirmation, let me run once again. Now you can see much difference between these two functions. So from these values we can clearly see string builder is very good option when we want to do string related functions like append with a large number of times. And we also got to know how we can calculate the time for an execution. There is one more method we seen, that is you can calculate in current milliseconds also. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.